Alright, I have to say I'm really happy with this truck. Its articulation is massive. Jeez. So next we're going to build the body to fit the chassis. And it's one of my favorite parts. Painting, deciding what it's going to look like, fitting it onto the wheels. Now here is the fun part, the body. This particular body is the Proline Chevy. Is it a 66 Chevy? I can't remember. It's a big body. Kind of reminds me of some of the bodies that come with the Vetera Ascender. Very wide, and I like that because the tires tuck underneath, which is what I want. And a lot of them now are coming in these two-piece get-ups. I think this makes it more rigid and sturdy. They give you the hardware to attach them together, just a couple screws and bolts. Now a lot of people have their styles of cutting. I've seen methods on YouTube and I've tried a few of them. I've tried the score and snap method where you take a blade and cut a score across all the way that you want, and then you bend and it snaps and you get it. And a lot of people have success with that. Personally, I ended up getting a lot of jagged lines and cutting my finger, so I just don't think that I have the dexterity for that. I had a lot better luck with scissors. I use long straight scissors for the straight lines, and then I have some Lexan scissors that are curved and small and get the edges and round parts. And in my experience, the bodies come out better for me with that style. So keep that in mind and try both ways and see what your results are. is all masked off. I'm gonna use some cheap blue painter's tape to fill in the rest of this out in the garage before paint. Alright, and here we have the Axial in its finished state. We've got a bit of an interior in there. Very happy with the way this truck came out. The 66 Chevy body is great for big tires. So the build is just excellent. I love it. And I'm looking at my other Axial, which I have in disrepair at the moment. Just changing out some rear shocks, things like that. But looking at some of the differences, my Axial came as an RTR, but these links for sure are way cheaper than what I got here in the kit. Look at these big, beefy drive links. And I guess those are the same drive shafts. But yeah, that was something I noticed. I was like, wow, these are some really nice links that it comes with. And other than that, I think they're pretty much the same here. But, so this is getting shipped off to my dad. This was his birthday present. I'm not going to do much crawling with it, but maybe he'll send me some videos of it doing some cool stuff. I'll share that with you. Thanks, bye.